Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A few weeks ago, I reviewed the Eastwood MIG 135. And in that video, I said I would do a follow-up video showing my thoughts on the welder and some welding. So, I figured I'd do that right now. So, a few days ago, I welded this piece of steel. Now, on it, you can see some wonderful spot welds and some great bead welds. Now, there is a little bit of blow through. That is my fault. I was welding all these beads one after another, and you're not supposed to do that. But you can see right here, I got a 2.5 inch bead on 22 gauge steel, and all these other ones are about 2 inches. All these spot welds, perfect, and if I flip it over, you can see the weld penetration is fantastic. It does great jobs on auto body steel. Now, I'm also going to show you over here, I have this bed frame. I'd say it's probably 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick, and it's okay. It's not as good as the auto body. I think I'm pushing the limits with this. The welds are pretty high. I'm not sure if you can see that, but they're pretty high up, and the penetration on them isn't as great as on the sheet metal. But that's what this welder's for. It's made by Eastwood for light duty steel, which is automotive. So let me show you a few welds and show you some welding. So I'm going to do a little welding for you with the Eastwood MIG 135 and to show you how repeatable these results are with this great little machine. That spot weld looks pretty good. It is windy, so you can see it's a little sooty. That's from the gas blowing away, I've heard, and red. That bead looks pretty good too. You can see there's great penetration around the weld, and the weld looks really good too. I don't do many beads because I work on the Volkswagen. The metal's pretty thin, and when you're replacing a patch panel, you really don't want to use beads. But in my opinion, it looks really good. Did a little spot there, sooty, because the wind. And I'm gonna do one more bead for you guys. And you can see I blew through. Now, it wasn't really that bad either, so I can fill that in. But I blew through mostly because I think I've been welding on this. It's been getting hot, and so it gets a little weaker. Not a big deal. Can fill that in really fast. But yeah, you can see the welder does really good repeatable results. Most of these welds, like I said, are from a few days ago, and they all look pretty much the same. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like it if you like it, don't like it if you don't, and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, because I am going to be doing more tool reviews and working on the Volkswagen. Because I'm trying to get this Volkswagen done by April, and that is a lot of work, but that also means there's going to be a lot of videos for you guys to watch about me working on it, and showing you guys how to fix certain things. I also have a question for you all. If you know how to make my camera see what I see through my welding helmet, please leave a comment, because I'd love to show you guys what I'm seeing when I'm welding in videos like this and other repair videos. So, once again, thank you all for watching, and goodbye.